Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Estambre is probably one of the most versatile and widely used materials for crafting and knitting, offering a delightful tactile experience and endless creative possibilities for both beginners and seasoned artisans alike, making it an essential component in the world of handmade goods and decorative projects. Number 5. Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo Yarn, Burgundy. Discover the versatility of our premium acrylic yarn. It's perfect for all your knitting, crocheting, and crafting needs, offering endless possibilities for your creative projects. Enjoy the beauty of our richly dyed yarn, ensuring consistent and vibrant color. This makes it ideal for creating stunning wearables and home accessories. With a generous yardage and medium worsted weight, this yarn is compatible with standard knitting needles and crochet hooks. It's perfect for everything from cozy sweaters to blankets and amigurumi. Rely on the exceptional durability of this yarn. It's designed to withstand multiple washes, maintaining its color and softness over time. Achieve great results with its specified knitting and crocheting gauges. This yarn provides the flexibility you need for precise stitches and beautiful finished items. What we like. This yarn is incredibly versatile and comes in a jumbo size, offering great value. It's durable and holds its color well, making it perfect for large projects. If you're looking for a reliable yarn for blankets, sweaters, or home decor that will last, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The yarn is soft and has a beautiful sheen. It's perfect for amigurumi and other small projects, as it doesn't split easily. The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures online. Number 4. 20 Acrylic Yarn Skeins, Multicolored Craft Yarn Pack. Unleash your creativity with this pack of 20 acrylic yarn skeins. You'll have a total of 438 yards in assorted colors, perfect for any craft project. Each ball provides approximately 22 yards of yarn, ideal for detailed work like amigurumi, granny squares, or adding colorful accents to your creations. Discover 20 different, vibrant colors in this yarn pack. It's the perfect variety to bring all your craft ideas to life with a splash of rainbow hues. This collection offers a fantastic selection of assorted yarn colors. It's the ideal choice when your projects call for a beautiful mix of multicolor yarn. Get started easily with this comprehensive kit. It includes 7 PDF ebooks filled with yarn patterns, making it perfect for beginners learning to crochet and knit. This knitting starter kit is designed for beginners. It contains everything you need to begin crafting right away, making it simple and fun for everyone. What we like. This pack offers an amazing variety of 20 colors, perfect for adding pops of color to any project. It's designed as a starter kit, complete with patterns, making it ideal for beginners. If you love experimenting with different colors or are just starting out in crochet and knitting, this is a fantastic way to get a wide range of shades without buying large skeins. What people say. The yarn is soft and has a beautiful sheen. It's a pleasure to work with, it doesn't split easily. The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures online. Number 3. LIHAO Brand Hometown Yarn. Create gorgeous knitted items with this soft, chunky yarn. It works up quickly to make beautiful blankets, school projects, or sweaters. This fluffy yarn comes in a variety of colors and textures to add depth to your projects. Each ball offers ample yardage for your creative endeavors. Made from 100% acrylic or a blend of acrylic and rayon, this yarn is rated CYC number 6 super bulky. It's a wonderful multi-use yarn for any knit or crochet project. Items made from this yarn are easy to care for. Simply machine wash them in warm water and tumble dry on high heat. When purchasing a 3-pack, dye lots are guaranteed to be the same. This ensures consistency across your projects. What we like. This yarn is super bulky, meaning your projects will work up incredibly fast. It's also very soft and comes in a range of beautiful colors and textures. If you need to create cozy blankets, quick sweaters, or fun school projects in a short amount of time, this is the yarn for you. What people say. The yarn is soft and has a beautiful sheen. It's a pleasure to work with, it doesn't split and glides smoothly on the hook. The color is vibrant and true to the picture online. Number 2. Mira HandCrafts 12 Acrylic Yarn Skeins Kit. Unleash your creativity with our beginner-friendly yarn kit. It includes 12 vibrant skeins, offering over 1,300 yards of soft, premium acrylic yarn for endless colorful projects. These yarns come in a variety of bright shades that are sure to make your creations pop. They are designed to stay vibrant even after washing, offering long-lasting brilliance. Whether you're a kid or an adult, this versatile yarn is ideal for amigurumi, plushies, scarves, and gifts. Enjoy hassle-free stitching for any creation you can imagine. Experience the perfect blend of strength and softness. This yarn is ideal for cozy blankets and granny square projects, ensuring both durability and comfort. Get inspired with patterns for every skill level. This kit includes ebooks with exciting projects, making it perfect for your crochet hooks and knitting needles. What we like. With 12 vibrant colors and a generous total yardage, this yarn is perfect for creating colorful and eye-catching crafts. It's soft, durable, and comes with ebook patterns, making it a great beginner kit. If you're planning to make amigurumi, scarves, or throws and want a good amount of yarn in various shades, this is an excellent option. What people say. The yarn is soft and has a beautiful sheen. It's a pleasure to work with, as it doesn't split easily. The color selection is vibrant and true to the pictures online. Number 1. LIHAO Mini Yarn for Knitting Crochet Craft. Introducing LIHAO's Mini Yarn Collection, perfect for your next creative project. Each skein is made from 100% acrylic, offering softness and durability. You'll receive 12 mini skeins, each weighing 15 grams and providing 28 yards of vibrant color. Explore a rainbow of 12 beautiful shades for endless possibilities. These yarns are designed to be sturdy for knitting, crocheting, and hand sewing. Enjoy their soft texture and no-fade colors, plus they are machine washable for easy care. From baby garments and clothing to toys and jewelry, these versatile yarns are perfect for all your craft projects. They are also great for accessories like hats and gloves. Why buy large skeins when you only need a little of each color? Our mini skeins provide the perfect amount for small projects, saving you waste and money. Click Add to Cart now to experience the quality of LIHAO Mini Yarn. We're so confident you'll love it, we include a premium 1-year warranty. What we like. This set features mini skeins in 12 different colors, which is perfect for small projects where you only need a little bit of each shade. The yarn is soft, doesn't fade, and is machine washable. If you enjoy making small toys, jewelry, or intricate details on larger projects and want to avoid waste, these mini skeins are ideal. What people say. The yarn is soft and has a beautiful sheen. It's a pleasure to work with, as it doesn't split easily. The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures online. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.